everybody. Today I got a new makeup palette and I already unboxed it, but I haven't looked inside of it yet. So I'm gonna do a little bit of ASMR because I got new nails, cinema roll. I love Sanrio. Anyways. Okay. Now, I'm pretty sure this is how you open it. Hold on. Like this. So you have a mirror right here, and you have these cute stickers. Wow. And you have these colors, they're really pretty, and you have these brushes to go with it. Okay, so for starters, we're gonna go with the brushes. We have this really fat brush. This can be for the blushes. I'm pretty sure these are blushes. I'm not sure. Or they could just be for, like, you can add a little bit on here and you can just go like this. And we have these two styrofoams, and we have like these small ones. So I'm gonna take each of everyone out. So hold on. And right here you can just like pull it out. This is really cute. See? And then you got your really pink, bright pink one, which you can just, there you go. And then you have this one, which is really pretty too. It's more thinner. And then we have this styrofoam one. Wow. There's two sides of it. There's a white one and there's a tan one. Okay. And the same with this one. And now we're gonna do some color swatches. Oh. And I have some sandals. I'm just showing the new stuff I got today.
They're gonna be peanut wrapped up, buddy.
So here we go, over here.
More than two.
Just like this, you got your egg. Beautiful sandals. So, yeah. This is basically like 80s. And yeah, it's really nice. I got it off Ross. And sorry, hold on. Okay. And yeah.
What?